Think about this, that iPhone in your hand, the one that costs you around $1,800. What if I told you it only costs $120 to make? Yes, you heard that right. Just $120 to produce. And you're paying nearly $2,000 to own it. And today, it's not a secret anymore. China just exposed everything. At the start of 2024, Chinese social media exploded with viral videos on TikTok, vlogs, and live streams. And those videos revealed the shocking truth about big-name American brands. From iPhones to Gucci bags, from Nike sneakers to luxury perfumes. Almost all of it is made in Chinese factories. And the production cost, just 1/10 of what you're paying. A bag that sells for $1,000 costs only $50 to make. A pair of heels, sold at $1,500, are manufactured for just $60, and that iPhone, it's being assembled for only $120 in China, yet sold to you for over $1,800. To reduce dependency on China, the US added up to 145% tariffs on Chinese goods in 2024. They thought it would hurt China. But China responded differently. They exposed everything. Now, China is making the same designs, using the same materials, just without the brand logo, and selling them for 1/10 the price. So, what are you really paying for? Are you buying quality, or just a brand name illusion? Most people assume higher price means better quality, but that's not always the truth. Analysts now say, this isn't just about US brands. It raises serious questions about luxury brands worldwide. If the same phone, bag, or shoes are available, with the same materials and quality, at a fraction of the price, why are we still paying 10x more just for the logo? It's time to ask yourself, are you buying real value? Or just the illusion of status? Don't follow the brand. Follow reality. Be informed. Be aware. For more truth bombs like this, subscribe now to our channel, Innovate Daily, and tell us in the comments. What's your take on this brand versus reality battle? Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are still paying $1,000 for something that costs $120 to make. It's time to wake up.